Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't update. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I bought a phone, and the system version is still Android 11, and the security patch is also from 2021. I checked for updates, and it shows that the device is already the latest version. But I think it should be able to update to Android 13. Why is my Android phone not updating? I hope someone can help me update to the new version. Thank you very much. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know why your Android phone software isn't updating, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Unstable network connection. The solution is to check your network connection. An Android phone might not update because of an unstable network connection. A stable internet connection is essential for system updates. When the network is unstable, the Android phone may automatically pause the update. If this happens, it can easily lead people to mistakenly believe that their phone cannot be updated. To rule out this problem, please check if your network is working properly. You can open other applications to test the network's functionality and stability. If the network is fine, please try the next method. Cause 2. Insufficient storage space. The solution is to check your storage space. Every time the Android system updates, it requires a certain amount of memory. If the network on your Android phone is working properly, but there isn't enough memory to support the Android system update, the problem of the Android phone not updating will occur. Furthermore, insufficient memory on an Android phone can easily lead to freezing and lagging. Therefore, checking your storage space is very necessary. Please open your phone settings, find and click Storage in Settings, and then check if the remaining space on the storage screen is less than 15%. If it is less than 15%, please free up storage space, delete unnecessary files, or upload some files to the cloud. After that, restart your Android device and try updating again to see if it can update normally. Cause 3. Insufficient battery power. The solution is to plug your phone into a power source. Besides network and storage space issues, low battery power can also affect Android phone updates. Since some updates may take a long time, the Android phone will pause the update if the battery power is insufficient to support the process. Therefore, please keep your phone's battery level above 80% or plug it into a power source. If the problem is due to low battery power, this will fix an Android phone that won't update. Cause 4. Software malfunction. The solution is to restart the device. If your Android device has been running for a long time, software or temporary malfunctions may occur. If these malfunctions happen to affect the update process, the situation where the Android phone is not able to install software updates will also occur. The simplest way to clear these malfunctions is to restart your phone, so please try restarting your Android phone. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. The Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen. Turn off your Android phone, wait about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it's a temporary malfunction, restarting the phone will help eliminate the problem. Finally, try updating the system again. Cause 5. Application influence. The solution is to boot into safe mode. When an Android phone has many third-party applications installed, problems with these applications can also cause the can't update Android phone software issue, especially if there are some insecure applications on the phone. To check if a third-party application is causing the Android phone not to update, the best way is to boot the phone into safe mode. Safe mode only runs system applications and does not run any third-party applications. If the update works normally in safe mode, then an application is causing the problem. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button until the recovery mode appears. In the menu options, use the volume keys and power button to select safe mode. Then, your Android phone will boot into safe mode. If the screen displays safe mode at the bottom and the Android phone updates normally in safe mode, then the problem of the Android phone not upgrading software is caused by an application. To fix the Android phone software not updating issue, find the problematic application and uninstall it. Once finished, press and hold the power button and tap the restart button to restart the phone back to normal mode. After the restart, your Android phone should be back to normal. Cause 6. The phone is infected with a virus. The solution is to reset the phone. If the above methods don't help, your phone may have a virus or other unknown problems. The best way to solve these problems is to reset your phone. Resetting your phone can solve most problems, including the inability to download and install updates. However, resetting will delete all content on your phone, including applications, contacts, photos, etc. If necessary, please back up your data in advance. Let's begin. Similar to wiping the cache partition, first, turn off your Android device. Then, connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Next, enter recovery mode to fix the issue of the Android device not updating the software. The steps vary for different phone brands. Here are the steps for some of them. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option, and then use the power button to select it. Then, select Yes. If you are using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode, and then use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume buttons and power button to select the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes. After the reset process is complete, your device will restart. It will return to its original state, just like when you first bought it. Finally, try updating the system again to see if the issue of not being able to update the Android software to the latest version is resolved. Cause 7. The phone does not support the updated version. The solution is to contact brand customer service. Some Android phones are outdated, and their configurations may not support the updated version. Therefore, if your Android phone indicates that there are no updates available, it may be because your Android phone does not support the new version. To confirm the issue with Android operating system updates, you need to call or visit your phone brand's service center and ask them for the answer. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If this helps you fix the issue of your Android phone not receiving updates, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method worked. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.